24 negative x equals to square root of k negative x. In the given equation, k is a constant. The equation has exactly one real solution. What is the value of 4k? We can use Desmos to solve this problem. In our first step, we have to split up the given equation into two separate equations by taking y equals to the stuff we have on the left side. That is y equals to 24 negative x. I got the first equation. Now to get the second equation, we have to take y equals to the stuff we have on the right side. That is square root of k negative x. Now we can get the graphs of these two equations in Desmos, and the graphs of these two equations must intersect at only one point, because there is an information the given equation has exactly one real solution. Now let's get the graphs of the two equations we have over here. Let me take the first equation in Desmos, that is y equals to 24 negative x. Now let me take the second equation, that is y equals to square root of k negative x. Now let's click on k to get the slider to adjust the values for k. Here, the two graphs in Desmos do not intersect when k equals to 1. Now, let me adjust the slider to make the two graphs intersect at one point. Okay, here, when you take k equals to 10, the two graphs do not intersect. So, the value of k has to be greater than 10. Okay, now let me adjust the minimum value and maximum value of k. Over here, let's check the minimum value of k is 15 and the maximum value of k is 25. Okay, now let's get the slider for this one. Okay, here, when I increase the value of k, the graphs are getting closer. Okay, here, when k takes 23 point something, the graphs are very close. I think the value of k has to be between 23 and 24. Okay, so that we can increase the accuracy of the value of k. Okay, now let me take the minimum value of k as 23, the maximum value of k as 24. Okay, now let's get the slider. Okay, here almost let me zoom in so that still the graphs do not intersect when k equals to 23.7. Let me increase the value of k. Again, they do not intersect. Okay, here when k equals to 23.756, the two graphs intersect at 2 points, but we want the graphs to intersect at exactly 1 point. Let me, okay, here when k equals to 23.75, the two graphs intersect at only 1 point, then the given equation has exactly one real solution. And our aim is to get the value of 4k. Here I got the value of k, that is 23.75. Now to get the value of 4k, let's type 4k. I got the value of 4k, that is 95.